got the switches up in here, the custom switches for the 4-inch pods. Check it out. That's the 4-inch, and then with the light bar, that thing is blinding. Check it out. 4-inch pods right here. You got the 52-inch light bar with the custom number. There you go.
This right here is H3 Humvee.
H3 Humvee. Oh, Pacifico. Looking good. Looking real bright. Looking real nice. Looks good. Letting the car warm up. Get ready to go. Little stroll. Look how bright that is. Look how dark that is. Giant. It's looking good, huh? Look how bright this thing is.